Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of crochet ladies gloves designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Why the video start to end? Because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet ladies gloves designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Unique textures, crochet fabric and texture, handmade quality adds of touch elegance to outfits and the variations color suit individual taste. Soft breathable crochet fabric provides insulation, easy care machine and washable and dryable. Suitable for crystal dresses or formal occasions. Confidence booster. Handmade each stitch and depends care and attractions and the personal experience reflects personal style and taste. Natural fabric choices honors chemical-free yarns and the hemoglobin crochet fabric reduce skin irritation, rash, and the soft fabric promote relaxation. Fingerless gloves and the exposed fingertips for and the touch screen use full fingers and the gloves provides a complete handmade coverage and the less determined gloves add and delight feminine details. Fusion creation textures, patterns, and the crochet overlaid gloves combines crochet with other materials. Cotton and the cotton ball soft, breathable, and the option against and the durability easy to care and the for affordable and the warmth and the lightweight and the mistide and the whiskings on the silk blend and texture soft and yarns. Single crochet grade satin fabric and the provides and the single closure move textures fabric combines the benefits and the single and the double crochet and the allow for irritation and the designs and the crochet delight air fabrics. Choose suitable yarns weight and the hook size. Consider handmade and the shape. Use sturdy steams and the joint block finish gloves for the finishable and the finish and the custom details buttons and the embroidery. Crochet ladies gloves offer styles, comfort and the practically and the making them a wonderful accessory for any wardrobe. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. Viewers, different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your crochet gloves designs. Thank you, viewer, for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayer. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz.